Welcome to Heartbeat Christian Academy. And in this presentation, I just want to give you some more detail about the Academy. If we can just go to our slides, we can see there that the Academy is one of His Heart's ministries. We've got an outreach ministry called Reach on radio. We've got a touch ministry that works with prisons, hospitals, orphans, and schools. And then we've got the Christian Library, the Word of Faith Christian Center, and then also the Academy. If we look at Heartbeat Christian Academy is a Heartbeat FM initiative founded for the sole purpose of facilitating, promoting, and providing affordable Christian education. We do this by partnering with various already established institutions in the educational space. So we as an organization have many options, and we can help students, assist them to go into the correct direction. So if you want to do, for instance, academic study, we will refer you to SATS. Because they are an academically accredited institution. If you want to sit in class 3 hours a week, we will refer you to Passion for Christ. If you want to study online, exciting news is that the Academy is going online, and we also have the Christian Leaders Institute, of which we are a mentor center for the Christian Leaders Institute. Now, in this presentation, I just want to chat to you a bit about the study options that we have in the Academy, and also the reason why we sort of have our curriculum as we have it. What we try and cover in our curriculum is we try to assist the local church, the leaders, by doing a survey of the Old Testament, a survey of the New Testament, focusing some of our subjects on family and marriage. Some of them are on discipleship, so you will be able to complete your own discipleship journey and then obviously disciple others. Then there's quite a lot of leadership training, even about church leadership and how to manage a local church. And then one of my highlights that I really love to be involved with is the pastoral training, where pastors are trained in the art and science of preaching and interpreting the Bible. This is done in 3 phases. So we've got 3 phases that we work in. Phase 1 is a certificate in Christian discipleship, and there we've got the subjects which deals a lot with the discipleship subjects, the basics. Also, we're currently doing the Values of Christ. We're recording that online. What an awesome course for people to just know more about Christ and know who they are in Christ. Discipleship growth, the survey of the letters. In phase 2, we're going over more to the leadership side of things. There we've got the equipping for victory. We're still working on the Old Testament survey there. We do marriage and family, and Christian maturity, and then Christian leadership 1. And then in phase 3, which is the advanced diploma in ministry, we go for our final portion of the survey of the Old Testament, and then there's the pastoral training that I mentioned about, and then Christian leadership too. So after you've done these courses, you will be very equipped for the work of ministry, and that is what we are focusing on. If you look at our statement that we said, we are there to actually facilitate and to promote and to provide affordable Christian education. Currently, some of our subjects are even free online. But again, for those that are looking for academic studies, they can actually go and study through SATS, which is an accredited institution in South Africa. And with SATS, you do what is known as systematic theology. We cover some of the systematic theology disciplines in our course, because obviously they are there and they come out in the course notes, but our focus is on the equipping of people for ministry. People need to be equipped to be able to rightly divide the word of truth, to feed God's people at the proper time, and to have an impact in their local communities. This is what our focus is at Heartbeat Christian Academy, and this is why we are trying also to now go online with our curriculum, so that people from across the nations of the world and South Africa and all the other nations can benefit from our training. God bless you, and thanks for enjoying and watching this presentation of Heartbeat Christian Academy.